Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks, including a hands-on video that's got everyone talking. Is this our first real look at Samsung's next flagship? Let's find out. A hands-on video recently surfaced online claiming to show the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, originally posted on Reddit under the title Galaxy S24 Ultra Definitely. It's raised eyebrows because of its design. Unlike the S24 Ultra, which had sharp 90-degree corners, this phone features more rounded edges, much like what we've seen in renders of the rumored S25 Ultra. Known leakers like Ice Universe and @ChunKnight188 have weighed in, confirming that this could very well be a prototype of the S25 Ultra. And while prototypes don't always reflect the final product, this aligns with what we've heard so far. So, what does this design tell us? First, the rounded corners. Love them or hate them, they're likely here to stay, offering a more comfortable feel in hand compared to the sharper edges of its predecessor. Second, the flat edges and slightly curved back suggest Samsung is borrowing design cues from competitors like the iPhone 16 and Google Pixel 9. It's also worth noting the familiar 4-lens camera setup, complete with laser autofocus. However, the camera rings seen in earlier dummy units are absent in this video. Could it just be the prototype design? Time will tell. Unfortunately, the leaked video doesn't reveal much about the front display or the software. One UI 7, Samsung's latest Android skin, is expected to debut with the Galaxy S25 lineup, but we'll have to wait for more leaks or the official reveal to see what's new there. Mark your calendars. Rumor has it that Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is set for January 23, 2025. If that's true, we're just a couple of months away from seeing the Galaxy S25 lineup in action. And with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset expected across the board, performance should be a major step up from the Galaxy S24 series. We'll keep you updated on all the latest leaks, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? What do you think of these leaked design changes? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our full coverage when the phone is officially revealed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.